like winds on the sea. Will you ever return to me? Hear my voice, sing with the tide. My love will never die.
Cruel and cold, like winds on the seas. Will you ever return to me? Hear my voice, sing with the tide. Our love will never die.
I do not know if sending this message will be a futile effort. Even before the collapse, I could not broadcast beyond the extent of my local facility. And so clearly, this first broadcast is addressed to you, Five Pebbles. Is there any chance I can still reach you, despite the condition we're both in? I need to know.
Yeah, yeah?